DGPS surveyors in Laxmi Nagar are professionals who play a crucial role in gathering accurate and precise geographical data. DGPS stands for Differential Global Positioning System, which is a technology used to enhance the accuracy of DGPS measurements. Laxmi Nagar, a bustling area in East Delhi, is home to various construction projects and urban developments. Therefore, the demand for DGPS surveyors in Laxmi Nagar is high to ensure that these projects are executed with precision and adherence to geographical specifications. Scon Design is a reputed firm that specializes in providing DGPS surveying services in Laxmi Nagar. Their expertise lies in conducting topographic surveys, boundary surveys, and construction staking using advanced DGPS technology. By utilizing this technology, Scon Design ensures that the collected data is accurate and reliable. The role of DGPS surveyors in Laxmi Nagar goes beyond just collecting data. They also analyze and interpret this data to create detailed maps, charts, and reports. These outputs are essential for various purposes such as land development, infrastructure planning, environmental assessment, and property acquisition. By employing DGPS surveyors, project managers can make informed decisions based on accurate data, reducing risks and ensuring successful project completion. When hiring DGPS surveyors in Laxmi Nagar, it is crucial to choose a reputable firm like Scon Design. This ensures that you receive high-quality services that meet your specific requirements. Scon Design's team of experienced surveyors is well-versed in using sophisticated DGPS equipment and software to deliver precise results. Moreover, they possess extensive knowledge of local regulations and land surveying standards, ensuring compliance with legal requirements. In conclusion, DGPS surveyors in Laxmi Nagar play a vital role in collecting accurate geographical data for construction projects and urban developments. DGPS surveyors in Laxmi Nagar are experts who are essential to the collection of exact and accurate geographic data. Differential Global Positioning System, or DGPS, is a system that boosts the precision of DGPS readings. A busy neighborhood in East Delhi, called Laxmi Nagar, is the location of numerous building initiatives and urban growths. Due to the importance of ensuring that these projects are carried out precisely and in accordance with geographical standards, there is a significant need for DGPS surveyors in Laxmi Nagar. A reputable company in Laxmi Nagar that specializes in DGPS surveying services is Scon Design. They specialize in employing cutting-edge DGPS technology to carry out topographic surveys, boundary surveys, and construction staking.